Hi, it's Warren Reynolds with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. And in this video, we'll be looking at the year 2020 in review for Massachusetts real estate, and also touching on some of the factors you may be experiencing in your home search in 2021. In terms of 2020, it was a very strong real estate market, the 8th year of rising prices. Prices hit another record this year, and sale volume also hit a record. The market was fueled by very low interest rates and characterized by a strong lack of homes for sale. Inventory is very, very low. In terms of looking ahead for 2021, I think buyers will continue to contend with the crushingly low supply of houses for sale. And also, low interest rates may represent a hidden Achilles heel for real estate in 2021. Mortgage rates are so low currently that even a modest rise in rates would represent a large percentage increase in borrowing costs. So if rates go up just a half a percentage point, that's going to be about a 17% increase in carrying costs. So that could have a negative impact on real estate in 2021. No one is predicting rates to go up, but I think it's just prudent to warn that it might be a risk going forward just because rates are so low, and any small rise could have a big influence on the housing market. Now let's look at the stats. The first chart you'll see is the median home sale price in Massachusetts. It set another record in 2020. At $460,000, that represents nearly an 11% price increase from where the median was back in 2019. Prices currently are about 27% above where they were in 2005 at the top of the prior market cycle, and nearly 59% higher than the lows we saw back in 2009 during the financial crisis. Now we'll take a look at sales volume. You can see in the next chart how the number of single-family homes sold on the MLS system in 2020 set a record. More single-family homes sold on the MLS in 2020 than in any prior year of the MLS's existence. It was the 6th consecutive year that single-family home sales volume on the MLS exceeded the previous market cycle high set back in 2004. In the next chart you'll see is home availability, the supply of homes for sale, and there the story is grim. Take a look at the chart. It's been an ever-dwindling supply of homes for sale since 2007. But I think the chart obscures the most salient point to see in terms of 2020. The supply of homes for sale has dropped over 50% since January of 2020. That really does set the basis for what you may experience in 2021. As of January 2021, there are 50% less homes for sale in the MLS than there were in January 2020. So again, as we mentioned at the start of the video, a crushing lack of supply for homes has really distorted the market, and that's the biggest challenge home buyers will face in 2021. It's just a vicious cycle has taken hold. Because there's so few homes for sale, it's hard for prospective home sellers to put their homes on the market because they think there's no place I can move to, and it feeds on itself. So that's what we're going to be contending with in 2021. Now looking at the next chart is interest rates. Looking at mortgage interest rates, you'll see how rates fell drastically in 2020. The 30-year fixed rate mortgage averaged 3.8% at the start of 2020, and the average got as low as 2.7% during the year. This is well below where the average rate was at the bottom of the Great Recession. There's something else to note in that chart. Look at 2018 when mortgage rates were on the rise. The 30-year fixed rate average mortgage rate loan reached 5% in the fall of 2018, and the Massachusetts real estate market slowed noticeably during that fall. Luckily, rates ended in a steep decline in the first quarter of 2019, so real estate sales perked right back up in Massachusetts. Take heed of that warning. When rates rose in Massachusetts in 2018, the market slowed. And that's why I mentioned at the start of the video, that is the potential Achilles heel for the market in 2021 should mortgage rates rise. In closing, there are very good reasons for optimism in 2021 for the housing market in Massachusetts. The biggest challenge both home buyers and sellers will face is lack of housing inventory. But with rates still so low, it's a wonderful opportunity for home buyers to lock in generationally low rates. It'll keep your borrowing costs low for many years, and it'll help you greatly in your financial stability. For home sellers, rates are so low, prices are so high. It's a great opportunity now to expedite your planning, put your home on the market. There are strategies that a home seller can implement that will protect their interest while they still get their home on the market and they look for a home to purchase. If you have any questions in terms of home buying or home selling in 2021, use the link associated with this video to contact me, Warren Reynolds. I can help you implement a very good strategy that will get your goals achieved and protect your best interests.